Welcome to the Chic Show. Are you looking for creative ways to brighten up your space without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, I'll be sharing some Dollar Tree candle hacks that will help you illuminate your life on a budget. First up, we'll be giving some plain Dollar Tree candles a glamorous touch. This project uses 3 votives and 1 short pillar candle from Dollar Tree. I used a makeshift double boiler to melt the votives and poured the melted wax into 3 of the round candy molds. I also used some melted wax to level off the bottom of the pillar candle. Once the wax in the molds was set, I used a plastic spoon to dip out a bit of melted wax, and I placed it on the bottom of the 3 wax pieces and then placed each wax piece onto the bottom of the pillar. These will become the feet. I saw a candle like this at a high-end store for $32. My Dollar Tree candle hack was made for $2.50. For the next candle hack, I'm reusing an empty reed diffuser bottle, a taper candle, and a floral stem from Dollar Tree. I cut the pieces of this floral stem and put them into the bottle and then added some water. One simple taper candle is all that's needed. This adds a touch of spring to any vignette. For this new candle hack, I'll be using another taper candle and some rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree. I wasn't sure how the rub-on transfers would work on the wax, and it did take a little extra effort, but in the end, they did stick to the candle. I continued to add bits and pieces all around the taper until I was satisfied. For the next candle hack, I would recommend using a white candle, but green is what I had on hand. I also used one of these napkins from Dollar Tree. I removed the packaging on the glass candle and I cut my napkin to size. I did peel away 1 layer of the napkin. Using Mod Podge, I worked in sections to apply the napkin to the glass. I did go back with a baby wipe to remove any excess Mod Podge at the top. So this candle seemed to need a little bit more, so I went back and I added some of these colorful pom-poms to the top. This color scheme is the perfect little addition in my craft room. Though all of these Dollar Tree hacks are very easy, nothing could be simpler than this one. Grab one of these metal wallflowers from Dollar Tree and work with the petals so that they are not so flat. Add a battery-operated tea light and this project is complete. There you have it, new Dollar Tree candle hacks that will help you illuminate your life on a budget. I hope you found these ideas inspiring and that you give them a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more budget-friendly tips and creative hacks. Share the chic. Bye now.